Alright, hey. Let's look at this Makita drill. Buy once, cry once type of thing. Buy a good tool, have a chance at fixing your good tool when it does break eventually because you abuse it. Anyways, problem today with this, well, DHP481, which I believe might still be the current model, it's been around for a while, of their top drill. Obviously they make it 40 volt now, but anyways, that's in speed 2. Trigger doesn't want to seem to depress all the way. I've taken it apart, made sure there's nothing blatantly wrong in there, but now I have repurchased the switch, about 50 Canadian dollars, about a $450 drill kit with the impact, so I don't know, $200 or something drill. Yeah, let's see how we make out. Safety first. So our part number today for repairing this guy, which I didn't verify, but I believe it's the right part, is this Omron switch here. C3JW-4B. Can't remember if it's that number or the larger number is how I looked it up. Anyways, yeah. It's both main power go through it and then obviously some sort of potentiometer feedback, something like that. But we're just gonna grab its brother here, see if we can take it apart. Alright, that's what the inside of looks like. Definitely seen a while. When I took it apart to inspect this switch, I think I did look at the part number to order the new switch, but I already blew all this out, so there was a fair bit more dust buildup. But we should be able to just take this guy right here, unplug it, and replace it. So right angle spade connector going on the front of the switch. Got a nice little clip here. Turns out you can't just pull it off. Both are clipped, that's nice to see. Let's not break any of these cables. Let's compare how these guys feel. Yeah, it's right in the switch. You can see how much this one doesn't compress and jams up, and how this one goes all the way in. That doesn't matter on which way this one is either. Yeah, so old and new, genuine switch. Make sure you put that back in the middle of your push, forward reverse. Feels good. Put your LED headlight, cable routed back in the right spot. Second clamshell going back on. Bloody hate Phillips. Moment of truth, let's see if we let the smoke out. Oh, that's much better. Oh, transmission's in neutral. Beauty! Now I wonder if we can take this guy apart and kind of see failure mode. But it's nice and glued together casings, so I don't know. But we're gonna try. So only plastic, and then one of this little guy here, which looks, I don't know if it's hard to see on camera here, but wherever that metal was and it broke, it's the same color as the outside. So I'm thinking that's not a fresh break. Looks like aluminum. but could be something like tin. Yeah, oh, that was insane. Switch still doesn't want to work all the way. Didn't really expect it to work anymore after I smashed it. But let's continue digging deeper. So it looks like they have one switch, one contact, which maybe they're meant to switch at the same time, but they definitely don't. One might be for like a to take more damage in the back. It looks like this has seen a lot more wear. So it's make immediately to give your power circuitry your 18 volts, and then when you give her more power, she makes in the back again. But then when you're reducing power, you break both, so there's multiple wear surfaces for that arc to be extinguished on, because of course breaking DC is much more difficult than AC. For your potentiometer feedback. Oh, we got rid of all that plastic. Now it goes all the way in. Just like new. Too bad it's glued together so hard it's hard to get in there and see failure mode. But yeah, there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching.